running around like a headless chicken. This is a bizarre, almost surrealist image that is conjured up in this idiom. It would appear that if you cut off the head of a chicken, it will continue to function for a few seconds, as if it was still alive. Something to do with nerve endings, if my biology serves me correctly. So this expression is used to describe someone who is panicking, rushing around trying to do so many things all at once, but there seems to be no organization. They are not actually being very effective in the way that they are tackling their tasks. Here's an example. When he heard that the inspectors were due to arrive in 5 minutes' time without prior warning, he ran around the office like a headless chicken, tidying piles of paper, thrusting things into filing cabinets to give the impression that he was at least a little bit organized. The tail wagging the dog. When we think about this image, we can clearly get the impression that something is wrong, something is unusual. We all know that dogs wag their tails, especially when they are happy, but for a tail to be wagging a dog is incongruous. It just doesn't make sense. So this expression has come to mean that in our view, a person of lesser importance is actually in control of someone more important. Here's an example. The way the new head teacher responds to parents' demands without question is like the tail wagging the dog. Surely he needs to show a little more strength and leadership. Bull in a china shop. The image in this idiom should be entirely clear. Just like the idiom of the elephant in the room, we have an incongruous image. There is no way that a large and potentially aggressive animal like a bull would ever find its way into a shop that sold pottery, china and porcelain. So we use this expression to describe a person who is careless or aggressive or clumsy. They may overreact to a situation and not deal with it in an appropriate manner. Their overreaction is likely to do more harm than good. Couch potato. We all know what a potato is. It's a vegetable. The image conjured up here is of a vegetable sitting on a couch, another incongruous image. If we put a potato on a couch, it will definitely not move. So this expression refers to someone who probably sits for hours on end in front of the television set without moving. Maybe their only movements are to use the remote control to channel hop or to place handfuls of popcorn or crisps into their mouth. Pulling my leg. To pull one's leg. This has the meaning of teasing or joking with someone, often by trying to convince them of something implausible or untrue. Once again, the image conjured up is humorous and bizarre. Here is an example. Are you pulling my leg? Seriously? Have you won the lottery? Meaning, I don't quite believe you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.